Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your front camera not working. Now, before I teach you guys how to fix that, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, let us begin. So the first step is just go to settings. And after you're on settings, you will need to go to screen time. Just go to screen time, and after you're there, just scroll down till you find restrictions section. Now there, go to content and privacy restrictions, and if it's not turned on, turn it on and go to allowed apps and features. After you're there, just find the cameras option and turn it off. After you do that, wait for a while and just turn it back on. Now after you've done that, your camera should start working. Now if it does not work, you might want to restart your iPhone. Now you can do that by simply turning your iPhone off, just shut it down, or you can just simply force restart it by quickly pressing and releasing the volume up button and quickly and releasing the volume down button. Do the same for both, and after doing that, just long press on your side button, and after the Apple logo appears, just leave it, and your iPhone will restart and your front camera should start working too. So that is how you fix it, guys. That is all for the video too. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.